Okay, so with installation, always start with the tongue side, facing the wall. You'll start with the first row, clicking the short joints into one another, making sure they line up properly. So click those together. It's a slight little lift and drop down. That's it. You can run your nail over it to see if it's clicked in properly. You'll actually feel it if it hasn't clicked in properly. You will finish your entire first row. Okay, then you will assemble your second row without clicking into the first just yet. Okay, so we're going to finish this entire row, making sure there is a stagger. Okay, so it has to be in a brick formation. You can't install one board next to another board. Okay, it has to be staggered, and the stagger has to be at least 200 millimeters wide. Okay, so where those boards end, and where the first row's boards begin, has to be 200 millimeters. So you can't do that. Okay. That's just to ensure that the entire installation is properly strong and everything is bonded together nicely. To install your second row, simply a matter of lifting it slightly, clicking it into place. Simple as that. If you run your finger over it and you do feel gaps, just give it a bit of a push, you'll actually feel it click. That is it. Done. Simple as that.